How to see blocked friends on KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can see the blocked contacts on KakaoTalk. Let's get started. First, open KakaoTalk application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on this more icon right here. Tap on it. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Here, scroll down and see friends. Here it is. Tap on friends. Now scroll down. Now in the manage friends right here, you can see hidden friends and block friends. Just tap on block friends to view the block friends. Now here you will see the list of friends you have blocked. And that's it. This is how easy it is to find the blocked friends in KakaoTalk. Now go back. Now you can also see the hidden friends from here. Tap on it and you'll see the friends you have hidden right here. That's it. Super simple, right? Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.